Welcome to the new video based on polynomial. In this video, we will going to see addition or subtraction of two or more polynomials. So now we will going to first see what are like terms and which are unlike terms. So the like terms are the terms with the same or different coefficient. As you know, every term has two parts, coefficient and variables. So the two terms or more terms having same or different coefficient but same variable. The variable part should be same, then only we can call them as a like term. For example, 4x cube and 1x cube. As I told you, a term contains two parts, coefficient and variable. You will see that both the terms variable part is x cube. So they are same. Only the coefficients are different, 4 and 1. Similarly, we have minus 4x cube y, 1x cube y. Again, you will find variable part is same, that is x cube y and x cube y in both the terms. The coefficient parts are different, that is minus 4 and 1. Let us see about unlike term. In unlike term, you will find again the coefficient will be same or different, that doesn't mind, but variable should be different. For example, 4x cube and 1x square. If you see the coefficient part, they are different, but that doesn't mind. But x cube variable part, one place we have x cube and the other place we have x square. Both are different. So we call them unlike term. One more example, minus 4x cube y, 1x square y. You will find that again coefficients are different, that doesn't matter, but variable part you have x cube and x square, so they are different. That is why we call them as unlike term. Minus 4x cube y and 1x square y, both are unlike terms. Now we will see how to add or subtract the like or unlike terms. First, let us talk about like terms. As you know, in a like terms, the coefficient may be different, but variable have to be same. So we have an example here, 4x cube plus 1x cube. If you check, the coefficients are same, the coefficients are different, but variable part is same. So how do we add them? X cube and x cube are present in both the terms, so that is common, as you can see in the bracket, and the coefficient 4 and plus 1 will come here, which will further simplify. 4 plus 1 will become 5 and then x cube will come here. So what we can get, 4x cube plus 1x cube equals to 5x cube. Variable is same, so only we add coefficient, or if the sign is minus, then we subtract them. Let us see one more example, minus 4x cube y minus 1x cube y. So the coefficients are different, but variable part you will see in both the terms are same. So we call them like term. We can add or subtract. So x cube y is common, so I have written outside the bracket, and minus 4 and minus 1 will get added. So minus 4 and minus 1 becomes minus 5. Then x cube y cube will be written as you have done in the previous case. So minus 4x cube y minus 1x cube y equals to minus 5x cube y. So two or more like terms are added with their coefficient, but the same variable written once. Same thing happens in the subtraction also. Now let us see unlike term. Before we go, as you know, the variable part will be different. Coefficient may or may not, that is okay, but variable part should be different. For example, 4x cube plus 1x square. You will see that variable part in first term we have x cube and in the second term we have x square. So we cannot add them. Just like this, 4 boys and 3 girls equals to what? Can you say 5 boys or girls? No, you cannot add them. You will say them 4 boy and 1 girl. Same way here, 4x cube plus 1x square will remain with the plus sign, 4x cube plus 1x square. One more example, minus 4x cube y minus 1x square y equals to minus 4x cube y minus 1x square y. We cannot add or subtract here. Why? Again variables are different. Correct? So 4 mangoes you can say and 1 what? Banana. Can you add them? No. So same thing applied here. So here what we say that when 2 or more with the same or different coefficient and with the different variable are not added, just written in a standard form with the same sign. I hope the concept of addition and subtraction of like and unlike terms is clear. So let us go for polynomial. Here we will learn how to add or subtract of the two polynomials. So here we have first polynomial with variable m as minus 7m raised to 4 plus 5m cube plus root 2, and polynomial with variable m is 5m raised to 4 minus 3m cube plus 2m square plus 2m minus 6. If I have to add them, so 5 polynomial p of m plus q of m equals to minus 7m raised to 4 plus 5m cube plus root 2. The first polynomial, that is p of m, is written in a bracket plus sign, and then I will get the second polynomial, that is 5m raised to 4 minus 3m cube plus 2m square plus 3m minus 6. Now as you can see, the two brackets are there and between them we have plus sign. Plus sign means it is plus 1, and when you multiply by plus 1 to the second bracket, because it is just outside the second bracket, so the sign won't change, because plus into plus will give you plus and plus into minus will give you minus. Therefore, when I open the bracket, what I will get? P of m plus q of m equals to, first bracket without change, it will come down minus 7m raised to 4 plus 5m cube plus root 2, and the second bracket plus 5m raised to 4 minus 3m cube plus 2m square plus 3m minus 6. You will see that the sign which was there with the blue polynomial in a bracket not changed. It is same. Whatever it was there with the blue color, the same it is now in the red color. So sign why did not change? Because outside the bracket it was plus sign. When I open and arrange them, I have to start arranging them in a descending order. So minus 7m raised to 4, and the second term is plus 5m raised to 4. Then plus 5m cube minus 3m cube. Then after cube term we have square term. So with the red one we don't have, but in blue one we have. So that we have to write down plus 2m square. Same way after that plus 3m, and then minus 6 which was there in the second bracket, and plus 2 root 2 was there with the red one, so we have got it here, so it became minus 6 plus root 2. When I further simplify, you know the rule of like terms addition, just we have done. So the variable part will be common and coefficient will be simplified. Minus 7 plus 5 m raised to 4 plus 5 minus 3 m cube plus 2 root 2 m square plus 3m plus minus 6 plus root 2. You will see that like terms are simplified. Now when I further simplify, minus 7 plus 5 will become minus 2. So minus 2m raised to 4 plus 2m cube plus 2m square plus 3m plus minus 6 plus root 2. You cannot further simplify because one is rational number, other one is irrational number. So it will be written as it is. So the final answer, when we add the two polynomials, we get minus 2m raised to 4 plus 2m cube plus 2m square plus 3m plus minus 6 plus root 2. So you have, if they ask you to tell the degree of the polynomial of a result, you can say easily it is 4, because the number of coefficient, if you will see, we have 5. Check it out, minus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 and minus 6 plus 2. Let's see what we do in the subtraction. So in that subtraction, again the two polynomials are given. Now you will see that minus sign is there between the two brackets. The first bracket with the first polynomial p of m and the second bracket with the q of m, but in between the both we have minus sign. Again, if minus sign is there, means it is minus 1. You are going to multiply second bracket all the terms by minus 1 and that will change the sign. So see here, you will get minus 7m raised to 4, the first bracket outside no sign, no number, means plus 1. So no sign will change of the first bracket. So all the terms will come along with the same sign, minus 7m raised to 4 plus 5m cube plus root 2. But second bracket you will see outside minus sign is there. So all the sign, all the terms, whatever sign they have, it will become opposite of it. Minus 5m raised to 4 minus will become plus 3m cube plus 2m square will become minus 2m square plus 3m will become minus 3m and minus 6 will become plus 6. Now the like terms will be get it together. So minus 7m raised to 4 minus 5m raised to 4 plus 5m cube plus 3m cube, then minus 2m square minus 3m plus 6 plus root 2. Further I simplify by taking common as we have seen in the like terms. So we will get minus 7 and minus 5 inside the bracket. Outside I will take common m raised to 4. Same way 5 plus 3m cube and other terms are individual. So minus 2m square minus 3m plus the constant terms will be put together in one bracket, 6 plus root 2. Further simplifying, I will get minus 12m raised to 4 plus 8m cube minus 2m square minus 3m plus 6 plus root 2. Again 6 is a rational number and root 2 is irrational number, so you cannot add them. I hope addition and subtraction concept is clear. Thank you for watching the video. I hope the concept is clear. Do share with your friends and do not forget to like and subscribe it. See you with the next video.